is oftentimes the uh, majority of the students in the OSCE will have this wrong. Okay, first, when you're establishing ascites, you have to do an initial percussion first. Now imagine that this patient that he has ascites and he's lying down. Oh, imagine that. You just imagine he's standing up, but imagine he's lying down. Okay? Now, when a patient is lying down and he has fluid in the stomach, where do you think the fluid will go? Can I borrow your bottle? The green one. Now, for example, this is the abdomen. Right. When he's standing up, where is that water?
Down.
Down. So, when he's standing up, where do you expect the water? In
Down.
this area. Right? In this area. Okay? So, when you percuss, example, standing up first. When you percuss, standing up, which is you don't normally do. But for illustration purposes only. Okay? When you percuss the patient standing up, and he has ascites. Okay, what is the expected sound in this area? Tympanitic. You understand? Tympanitic. And what is the expected percussion note in this area? Dullness. Because of the water. He's standing up. Right? Now, if he's lying down, what happens to the water? Now, this is not full enough. But to illustrate, the water will tend to go on the side. Right? It will go on the side. Okay, now, up. Okay, now, first thing you do is to establish first which area is tympanitic and which areas are dull. Okay, so go. So, you percuss. Hold. So again, you are establishing the boundaries. So you're expecting this area to be what? Tympanitic or dull? Lying down with ascites. What? No. Look at this. Don't look here. Okay? He's lying down. This area in the middle, on top. Tympanitic. Right? Because the water is probably on this side. Right? Okay, so in this area, now you're establishing the boundaries of the tympanitic region. Okay, so how do you do that? You percuss. Okay, so tympanitic, oops, dull. Oh, here. Right? Tympanitic, dull. Okay, tympanitic, dull. So you establish that this area is tympanitic. Right? And this area is dull. Right? Do you understand? Now, that's why it's called shifting dullness. Because you will ask the patient, so you established it na. Okay? Now, you ask the patient to lie sideways. So, what will happen to the area which you mark tympanitic? It will become dull. Because the water here will eventually travel here. So, when you percuss again, it becomes dull. Now, you're expecting where's the tympanitic region? Here. Right? Here, in this area, this is tympanitic. Right? Now, imagine, I'm hoping you're imagining this because this is not done standing up. Okay? And imagine he's on his right side. Now, when the patient is on his right side, this area is tympanitic. That is when he's in supine position, it's dull. So hence the term shifting dullness. You understand?